Bubble tent. The luxurious way to experience nature. Welcome to the bubble tent, a unique take on glamping that lets you enjoy the outdoors in style and comfort. These transparent, inflatable tents offer a 360-degree view of the landscape around you. They're perfect for stargazing at night or spotting wildlife during the day. While you stay cozy and protected inside, you still feel completely immersed in nature. Locations and popularity. Bubble tents are gaining popularity all around the world, with iconic locations in Australia, Iceland, France, and the United States. Set up in stunning remote spots like mountain ranges, deserts, and forests, these tents provide a serene escape from the hustle of city life. Features and amenities. Today's bubble tents come with impressive amenities. Many have comfortable beds, climate control, private bathrooms, and sometimes even hot tubs. With eco-friendly materials and designs, they focus on sustainability to minimize environmental impact. Safety and durability. Made from advanced, weather-resistant materials, bubble tents are designed to withstand different climates while keeping you safe and comfortable. With a bubble tent, you experience the best of camping and comfort. If you're seeking an unforgettable escape into nature, a bubble tent offers a luxurious way to do it. Bagletti Suitcase-Transformer. Introducing the Bagletti Suitcase-Transformer, a versatile travel accessory designed for convenience. This innovative suitcase combines the functionality of a regular suitcase with a foldable cart, making it ideal for travelers. The Bagletti transforms from a standard suitcase into a portable trolley or shopping cart, perfect for those who need to carry extra items while traveling. It's built with lightweight, durable materials and features compartments that help you pack efficiently. When you turn the Bagletti into a cart, it's equipped with a sturdy frame and large wheels. This makes it easy to maneuver over different terrains, from airports to urban streets and shopping areas. Recently, the Bagletti has gained popularity among urban dwellers and frequent travelers who value multifunctional gear. It's especially useful for short trips where you need to combine your suitcase with extra storage space. With the Bagletti Suitcase-Transformer, traveling just got a lot easier and more convenient. Bio-inspired crawls. The multimodal morphotype shifting robot. Meet M4, a robot designed to adapt and move like animals. Created by a team led by Ali Resser Amani, an assistant professor of electrical and computer engineering at Northeastern University, this robot is a shape-shifter. M4 has 8 modes of mobility. It can crawl, fly, rotate, and use thrusters to move. This flexibility makes it a potential game-changer for tasks like space exploration, package delivery, and search and rescue missions. So, how does it work? M4 draws inspiration from animals like birds, bats, and even meerkats. This allows it to seamlessly switch between different movements. One moment, M4 can move like a traditional four-wheeled vehicle. In the next, it can transform and crawl like a lizard using its wheels. It doesn't stop there. It can even rotate its 4 wheels to create more movement, much like the agile movements of a bat. Thanks to its ability to change form, M4 has the potential to take on tasks that require versatility and adaptability. Whether it's moving across rough terrain or navigating tight spaces, M4 is ready for almost any challenge. Ninebot Air T15, the ultimate urban commuter. Introducing the Ninebot Air T15, a sleek, lightweight electric kick scooter designed for urban commuting. Weighing only 23.2 pounds, the Air T15 is easy to carry and store. You can quickly toss it in your car trunk or bring it on the bus without hassle, making it perfect for a busy city lifestyle. This compact scooter is powered by a 250-watt motor that reaches speeds up to 12.4 miles per hour. On a single charge, it can cover up to 7.5 miles, ideal for short city trips and everyday commutes. For added safety and efficiency, the Air T15 comes with a regenerative braking system. This smart feature converts braking energy back into power, helping to extend your range and giving you a small boost when you need it. One of the highlights of this scooter is its intuitive step control operation. Riding the Air T15 is incredibly simple and smooth, even for beginners. Plus, the LED Nixie tube display shows your speed, battery life, and other essential details so you're always in control and informed. Priced around $799, the Ninebot Air T15 offers excellent value for anyone seeking a portable, efficient, and stylish way to get around the city. Whether you're heading to work, running errands, or exploring your neighborhood, the Air T15 makes urban commuting fast, fun, and hassle-free. TMC Dumont, a revolutionary concept motorcycle. The TMC Dumont is an eye-catching concept motorcycle crafted by Tarso Marques, a former Formula One driver from Brazil. This bike is truly one of a kind, featuring hubless wheels and an exposed engine that give it a striking, aircraft-inspired appearance. What really sets the Dumont apart is its impressive 300-horsepower Rolls-Royce aircraft engine. This isn't just a motorcycle that looks cool, it's designed for top-notch performance. The sleek, low-slung body of the Dumont ensures it will turn heads wherever it rides. But the TMC Dumont isn't just another motorcycle, it's a bold fusion of innovative design and cutting-edge engineering. It represents the exciting future of two-wheel transportation, blending aesthetics with high performance. Whether you're a dedicated motorcycle enthusiast or simply someone who appreciates groundbreaking design, the Dumont stands as a testament to creativity and ambition in the world of motorcycles. Jing New City Culture and Art Center, a modern architectural masterpiece. Welcome to the Jing New City Culture and Art Center, a stunning architectural marvel designed by Zaha Hadid Architects. Located in Shuxi Province, China, this center is more than just a building. It's a bold fusion of art, culture, and modern design. The structure's flowing, sinuous form blends seamlessly into the surrounding cityscape, standing as a testament to cutting-edge architecture. Its design combines fluidity and precision, creating a space that feels both futuristic and inviting. Inside, the center offers large, flexible spaces beneath its curving exterior. These versatile areas are designed to host a wide range of cultural events, from art exhibitions to live performances. The layout encourages a strong sense of community, providing a dynamic environment where people can gather to enjoy and celebrate the arts. Every element of this building reflects Zaha Hadid's innovative approach to architecture. From its sleek, futuristic shape to its integration with the urban surroundings, the Jing New City Culture and Art Center redefines what a cultural space can be. This architectural masterpiece is more than just a sight to behold. It's a beacon of innovation that inspires everyone who visits, seamlessly blending the worlds of culture and modern design. Marchi Mobile, Element Plaza Superior. Introducing the Marchi Mobile Element Plaza Superior, a two-story mansion on wheels. With a unique fisheye windshield, it offers panoramic views while driving. This windshield can also be darkened in 2 stages using an adjustable sun protection system. Dubbed the most luxurious model in the series, the Element Plaza Superior blends features from motorsports, aviation, and yachting into one extraordinary mobile home. The vehicle's carbon fiber body makes it lightweight, while its sleek design lines and 36-inch rim covers are inspired by racing cars. Inside, the cockpit features a central digital display. The multimedia interface is modeled after jet cockpits, giving the vehicle a cutting-edge, high-tech feel. Marchi Mobile also states that the Element Plaza Superior is a self-supporting vehicle. Its walls are 60 mm thick, providing excellent insulation for the motorhome. Other notable features include an electric sliding door for easy entry and a front luggage compartment for additional storage. The vehicle is powered by a Volvo 6-cylinder inline engine, ensuring both performance and efficiency. The Marchi Mobile Element Plaza Superior offers a truly unique and luxurious travel experience, combining comfort, technology, and style.
The Ninebot eATV is a game-changer in the electric vehicle world, perfect for anyone who loves outdoor adventures or needs a tough, reliable machine for work. This 4-wheeled, innovative ride is designed to compete with traditional ATVs, but with a modern twist. It's fully electric. Powered by 2 strong hub motors that each deliver 1.5 kilowatts, the eATV can zip along at speeds up to 50 kilometers per hour. It's built to handle tough tasks too, capable of carrying up to 200 kilograms and towing as much as 350 kilograms. With a full battery, you can explore or get your work done over a range of 70 kilometers before needing to recharge. Whether you're hauling gear, tackling tough terrain, or just out for a fun ride, the Ninebot eATV has you covered. At $6,100, it's an investment in the future of outdoor work and play, combining the rugged reliability of an ATV with the clean, quiet power of electric technology.
Power Wheels Boomerang, Introducing the Power Wheels Boomerang, an exciting ride-on toy designed for kids. This vehicle offers a thrilling and dynamic driving experience that's sure to keep kids entertained. What sets the Boomerang apart is its unique 360 degrees spinning capability. Kids can perform thrilling spins and drifts, making every ride an adventure. It also features dual joysticks for easy, intuitive control, allowing kids to maneuver the vehicle with ease. Powered by a 12 volts rechargeable battery, the Boomerang offers a decent runtime, so the fun can last longer. Safety is a top priority in its design, with a sturdy frame and a low-profile structure to ensure stability during play. The Boomerang is designed to fit kids aged 5 to 10 years, with an adjustable seat and seatbelt for a secure ride. It has a maximum weight capacity of around 100 pounds, making it suitable for a broad age range. Additionally, the Boomerang is equipped with a traction control system that enhances its performance on various surfaces, adding to the excitement and control. The Power Wheels Boomerang delivers fun, safety, and performance, making it the perfect ride for young adventurers. Razer Hovertrax 2.0, the ultimate self-balancing scooter. The Razer Hovertrax 2.0 is a high-tech, self-balancing scooter crafted for fun and safety. It's designed for riders of all experience levels, making it easy for beginners to jump right in and start gliding. One standout feature is its ever-balanced technology, which keeps the scooter stable and self-leveling. This makes riding smoother and more comfortable, while also simplifying mounting and balancing, so new riders can hop on with confidence. Powering this scooter is a 36-volt lithium-ion battery, giving you up to 40 minutes of continuous ride time on a single charge. You can reach speeds of up to 8 miles per hour, perfect for a quick, exhilarating ride while staying in control. The Razer Hovertrax 2.0 also looks as sharp as it rides. It's designed with sleek LED light bars that add a modern touch, while a shatter-resistant polymer frame ensures durability and resilience, so it's ready for whatever the ride throws at it. For stability and a smooth experience, the Hovertrax 2.0 features dual-hub motors and gyro sensor technology. These work together to create a quiet, stable ride that feels both natural and controlled. And, thanks to anti-slip rubber traction platforms, your feet stay firmly planted. Supporting riders up to 176 pounds, the Hovertrax 2.0 meets all 2272 certification standards for electrical and fire safety. This means it's not only fun to ride, but also built with safety in mind. If you're looking for a self-balancing scooter that combines style, safety, and ease of use, the Razer Hovertrax 2.0 might just be the perfect ride. Skizee, a new way to enjoy winter sports. As winter tightens its icy grip on the northern reaches of the planet, cabin fever can start to set in. For some, staying indoors until spring just doesn't cut it. But what if you don't live near the mountains? Many outdoor winter activities might seem too tame. Snowmobiles are a popular choice for those looking to get outdoors. However, they come with some drawbacks. They require a truck or trailer for transport, are expensive, and often feel like more machine than most people need. That's where the Skizee comes in. It's a powered tread that pushes skiers across the snow at speeds up to 35 kilometers per hour, 22 miles per hour. The Skizee is compact and lightweight, made from durable aluminum. It can even fit in the trunk of a car, making transportation a breeze. With the Skizee, you can enjoy the thrill of skiing without the need for heavy, expensive equipment. It's perfect for those looking for a simple, fun way to experience winter sports on their own terms. Sparrow 8 Concept, a striking fusion of hot rod and stealth bomber design. The Sparrow 8 Concept is a remarkable vehicle that blends the classic charm of a hot rod with the sleek, edgy design of a stealth bomber. Designed and built from scratch by students at the Esparra Sparrow Mont Bellard School of Design in just 40 days, this car is truly unique. Powered by a 3.2-liter twin-turbocharged Maserati V8 engine from a salvaged Maserati 3200 GT, the Sparrow 8 delivers 368 horsepower to the rear wheels, ensuring it has both speed and performance. What makes the Sparrow 8 stand out is its sharp, angular design, a stark contrast to the smooth curves of traditional hot rods. This aggressive look sets it apart on the road. The exact cost is unknown, And being a student-built concept car, it likely won't be available for purchase, making it a rare automotive creation. Lazzarini Pangios, the floating city of the future. The Lazzarini Pangios is an incredible concept, a massive floating city designed to host up to 60,000 people while cruising the ocean. Modeled after the ancient supercontinent, Pangaea, this giant, turtle-shaped ship is 550 meters long and 610 meters wide, making it the largest floating structure ever imagined. This floating city has everything you'd expect: hotels, shopping centers, parks, and even ports for both ships and aircraft. The vessel's hull is divided into 9 sections, ensuring it remains unsinkable. It's also built to support flying vehicles that can take off and land right on top of the ship. Powered by 9 electric engines and solar panels, the Pangios can cruise forever at a relaxed pace of 5 knots, all while being completely emission-free. Sustainability is key, with the design featuring a special construction facility called a Terra Shipyard, built to focus on eco-friendly technologies. The Lazzarini Pangios is more than just a ship. It's a vision of future living on the sea, combining luxury, innovation, and a commitment to a greener planet.